Welcome to Cozyy Joe Show. Today I wanted to do a super simple pattern for our beginner crocheters. Actually, I have working in the round under intermediate, but this is super simple. I think anybody can do it if you can do a chain stitch. So I have a size N hook and 3 strands of worsted weight yarn. I have chained 8 and I slip stitched to form a ring. Now, you're going to chain 1 and do a single crochet in that ring. We're just going to work some chain loops. So we're going to chain 4. And do another single crochet right in that same loop. Chain 4 again, and we're just going to do this all the way around. So I've completed all of my chain 4 loops, and when you get back to the beginning, let's see, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be 6. You're just going to slip stitch into the top of that beginning single crochet, just like that. That's round 1. So for round 2, we're going to slip stitch into that first ring just to get our yarn over into the ring, just like that. Going to chain 1, going to single crochet in that same spot. Now we're going to chain 6. And then we're going to single crochet in the top of the next chain 4 loop. Just like that, we're going to do that all the way around. So I've gone all the way around. I'm going to chain 6. I'm back at the beginning. I'm going to slip stitch in that first single. And you could end it right there if you want to, and just let it be a little trivet, or you could do a few of them and hang them on the wall. Isn't that cute? You know, I think that's what I'm going to do, and then just make a new one to go bigger. So I'm just going to fasten off. So I had to come inside, it was getting a little chilly. So I've made 2. These are super cute. These would be really cute in pink for a wall hanging for a little girl's room. My kitchen is red and black, so I wanted to do something that was functional for my home. But now we're going to make a big one for the set. So let me show you how to weave in the end and finish that off. Alright, so you're just going to turn it over, and that's your tail yarn. And you're going to, let's see, oh, that's the back. Alright, so close to where you fastened off, you're going to always, let's see, my camera keeps blurring up on me. I always go into this little loop that's on the back, that's right behind where I cut the yarn, and I'm just going to yarn over, pull through the loop like that, and then pull it completely through the loop, make an extra knot. So there's that, and then you just pick some random little loops back here to thread it through. Just like that. And then underneath these stitches here, I don't know why my camera's flashing like it is, I apologize. Alright, and then you'll just cut that. Alright, so those come out really cute. Let's make a big one. Alright, so round 3, I'm going to slip stitch across 3 stitches to get to the center of that next loop. Alright, and then I'm going to chain 1 and single in the middle of that loop. All right, so we're going to, let's chain 8. Now, I'm using an acrylic polyester based yarn. The best material to use for this project or anything that's like a hot pad is 100% cotton. So that's what that little set looks like. Super simple, functional. You can use any colors that you want. And I might just pursue several different variations of these because I really like those.